Hi guys, welcome back to another restocking video. So today I will be restocking on March 4th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a like or a comment, and my shop link is in the description. Also, so is my P.O. box, so you can send me something if you want to. So I really hope you find something that you would like to purchase and that you enjoyed the vid, and let's get on with the restock.
Okay guys, so the first slime is called Liberty. This is a jiggly slime that's scented like sweet vanilla, and it is a very thick jiggly slime. I don't enjoy jiggly slimes, so I definitely enjoyed this slime. It has polymer clay, like female slice hearts, that are a sort of different colors, and it's super thwacky, and I definitely recommend it if you are a fan of jiggly slimes, because if you're a fan of jiggly slimes, you will love this slime. It is also very, very stretchy and holds a lot of bubbles. This next one is a new favorite that I introduced to the shop last week. It is made with a new special type of clay that I am keeping a secret just so, you know, like the cereal milk thickening ingredient. It's kind of like that, but this is called cinnamon apple butter. It has some assorted different color foam beads, and it is a red sleigh / clay / butter slime. It's more of a butter slime and a sleigh slime than a clay slime because it's not that stiff, and it's super spreadable. It's also scented like fresh apple butter, and it has such a nice smooth and soft texture. It also holds a lot of bubbles in it, and it's very, very spreadable. And I just definitely recommend it because it's so creamy, smooth, spreadable, and glossy too. It's like a glossy butter slime. Like, what is that? It also is very thwacky. This next one is called Lulu Cereal. It is a brand new slime to the shop. All the next slimes will be brand new slimes that I definitely 100% love the most out of this restock. I can't pick which one's my favorite out of all of them, but they're just all so amazing. So this one is called Lulu Cereal. It is a super thick and glossy base slime with jumbo pink beads and jumbo yellow beads and some small pink beads. It is scented like cotton candy and has a light pink base. It holds lots of bubbles and is super soft and creamy. And it has amazing thwacks, and I don't know what to say about the slime. It's just so nice. This slime is also dedicated to my sister. She helped me come up with it. She knows the recipe for it. She helps make it exactly. Well, I know the recipe for it, but since my sister is too young to make the slime on her own, I had to help her. And it's called Lulu Cereal for my sister Lulu. She is you guys might have seen her on one of my lives before. You might have said hi to her or something, but yeah, this slime is for her, and it's called Lulu Cereal. It's cotton candy, and it kinda just like shows off her personality. But I am gonna have a slime for my brother very soon, and yeah, stay tuned for that, and then maybe I'll have a duo of my sibling slime together. This next one is called Fairy Dust, and it is a cloud slime with some beautiful glitter on it. So this slime is a green cloud slime with glitters, glitter pigment on the top of it for decoration. It is super, it is the driest cloud slime that I've ever made. It has, it's like a very falling cloud slime. I gave one of these to the giveaway winner, and the giveaway winner, I'm just going to say here, is Strawberry Slimes, and she absolutely loved her fairy dust, and I'm thinking of maybe one day making more fairy dust slimes. I don't know. I really, really love them. This one is scented like apple, like sour green apples. It is thwacky, which not most cloud slimes are. It is very drizzly and very, very dry. And I don't know what else to say. What else do you need in a cloud slime? It's my favorite cloud slime ever. It's so amazing. This is the best cloud slime I've ever made. Every week that I make a new cloud slime, the texture just improves so much. So I definitely recommend you buy this cloud slime because cloud slimes have also been very highly requested. And if you want me to bring them back, then I definitely recommend you go buy them. And the next slime is called Shamrock Shake. This is inspired by the milkshake. And I've seen slimes of this all over Instagram, and I thought I would take a shot at making one myself. So this slime is a mint green based, super thick and glossy slime. It has white foam beads in it to represent like whipped cream. It is scented like a Shamrock Shake, like mint chocolate, and I am in love with the smell. I play with my personal one all the time, all day. I just made up this slime this morning, and I just made my first batch this morning, and I've been playing with mine all day, my personal one, and I'm just in love with it. It's so thick and glossy and thwacky. It also holds a lot of bubbles, like most of my slimes, and yeah. So this is the last slime in the restock, and it's called Fruity Mint Swirl. This is a new cloud cream that I am introducing in the shop right now. It is scented like fruity. It has like a mix of fruity and minty scents. I took all my minty scents and all my fruity scents and put them into this slime. So it is a hand mixed scent just for you guys. It has a royal blue and sky blue mix color. It is a super smooth cloud cream. It has assorted rainbow jumbo beads, green small beads, red small beads. It also has jumbo pink beads too. And when I said it was a cloud cream, it's more like a frosting slime, and it is like I put the snow in to like resemble like it being like, have you guys ever tried rainbow sherbet or something like that? It's like a sherbet slime. So like I imagine, I don't know if this is a real ice cream flavor, but it's like to the slime, it's like a real ice cream flavor. Like it, I don't know. It's like based off of ice cream flavor, my thought of the slime. So that's why it's like a cloud cream sort of and like a frosting slime mix. It is super spreadable and super thick, and it holds a lot of bubbles. It's super smooth and soft, and again, it's scented just like fruity mint in a swirl. And I don't know if it's a real thing. I hope it's a real thing. This is like one of my favorite times ever, and I definitely recommend you grab this one. If you can only grab one thing, Either grab this or Shamrock Shake, because those are my two favorites. Also, I don't know. Everything I definitely recommend you grab, but I don't know. The one thing that I definitely recommend you grab is this and Fairy Dust. Those are my absolute favorites. I just love cloud slimes. So, yeah, guys. So, thank you guys for watching this restocking video. Don't forget, my restock is at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, March 4th, 2018. If you're a week in advance, this restock no longer is available, so I definitely recommend you go to the next restock video if you would like to purchase some slime to see what's in my store currently. As always, don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a like or a comment. If you give me a like, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you guys for watching this video. It means so much to me that you guys are watching my videos and loving them and subscribing to my channel. It just means so much to me, and I love you guys so, so much. So, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and bye! See you at my restock.